Number 6. The ocean quahog. If you walked past this creature on a beach, you would probably kick it aside without a second thought. It looks like a common, muddy clam, the kind you might find in a bowl of chowder. But the shell you see on screen right now belongs to a species that has mastered the art of immortality in a way that puts humans to shame. This is the ocean quahog, a mollusk that lives in the cold, dark depths of the North Atlantic. Unlike other animals that wear their age on their faces, the quahog hides its history inside its shell. Each year, it grows a tiny new layer, forming rings exactly like a tree. Therefore, to know how old they are, you have to count the rings. In 2006, researchers dredging the ocean floor off the coast of Iceland pulled up a handful of these clams. They froze them on board the ship, bringing them back to the lab for study. One particular clam caught their attention. When they began to count the rings under a microscope, they couldn't believe what they were seeing. The count went past 100, then 200, then 400. Finally, they realized that this specific clam was 507 years old. They named it Ming because it was born in 1499, during the height of the Ming dynasty in China. Think about that for a second. This animal was sitting at the bottom of the ocean when Columbus was still sailing the Americas. It was alive when Leonardo da Vinci was painting the Mona Lisa. It survived the rise and fall of empires, to world wars, and the entire Industrial Revolution. It sat quietly in the mud, filtering water, minding its own business for 5 centuries. But here is the tragic twist that makes this story heartbreaking.